So now when you major in something like financial analysis or financial analyst bachelor's degree, you just limit yourself to all these things, right? What if you get the degree and you realize that you don't like doing financial analysis at all? You want to work as a financial advisor, right? Where you actually interact with people. You're not doing analysis on Excel or whatever. Or you want to do consulting, or you want to do valuations, or you want to do business intelligence, or you want to do something in sales, right? Now you've limited yourself. Now, but when you get a degree in finance, which is, and most schools should do this, you learn a little bit of everything. I know when I was in college, I learned a little bit of investing, a little bit of portfolio management, research, corporate finance, valuations, a little bit of kind of like everything under the umbrella of finance. Now, when I go out there and graduate, I say I want to work in focus in insurance finance, right? That's what I want to do. And I'm like, I don't like this. Now I can switch to portfolio management because my degree is in finance and it covers all these things. But when you get a degree in financial analysis, you kind of like limit yourself. I'm not saying that it's impossible for you to shift to something else, but it's gonna be a lot harder, right? Compared to someone who has a finance degree that encompasses all those things. Um, yeah, but definitely I would recommend if you're gonna get a financial analyst degree, a portfolio management degree, just get a finance degree. And you can do a master's where you focus on whatever you like. And sometimes you don't even know what you like. You might think you like financial analysis, but then once you actually do the work, you're like, I hate this. Now, that's when you realize that you wasted your time, right? Because so when you do your bachelor's degree, just get into finance. And after that, don't go do your master's right away. Go to the workforce, go get a couple jobs, figure out what you like. Finance is a huge industry. Try to work in different jobs, different, just do different things. Let's say you figure out you like portfolio management, right? You like working for an institution that does portfolio management. Now you can go back to get your master's and focus on finance in portfolio management, right? So that's where you really get to focus. And, if you've been working at a company, maybe you worked there for 2 years, you realize that I really, really love doing this. I can see myself doing this for a while. Now, when you go back to school to get a master's that focuses on portfolio management, then you're probably going to be promoted, right? Because you bring value back to the company that you're working at.